Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I have with me Samsung Galaxy A23 5G mobile phone, and in this video I will show you how to enable the finger sensor gesture in this phone. So guys, you can see over here this is a power button, and if I just swipe it down like this, you can see the notification panel will open, and again if I swipe it up, you can see the notification panel will also go up. So how to enable this finger sensor gesture? So first of all, you have to go into the settings. Once you enter into the settings, just scroll down, okay, and you see this option of advanced features. Okay, just select it. Once you select this advanced features option, okay, you have to see this option of motion and gestures. Okay, just select it. Once you select it, at the very bottom, the last option over here, it says finger sensor gestures. Just select it. Once you select it, here you have to enable it. Okay, so once you enable it, then you are ready to go. Just swipe it here like this. Okay, the notification panel will open, and if you swipe it up like this, the notification panel will go up as well. So guys, if you cannot detect your finger over here, what you have to do, you have to just go back, okay, and then come into the settings. Okay, and then here you have to select this option of lock screen. Okay, just select the lock screen option, and here you see the very first option over here, it says screen lock type. Just select it. Once you select, here you can put your pin or your pattern, whatever you have. Okay, the last option over here is fingerprints. Okay, so if it is disable, you have to enable it. So once you enable it, it will ask you for your fingerprints registration, so then you can register your finger on this sensor. So guys, basically this power button will also act as the sensor, okay, for your fingerprints. So once you register it and then you enable the first setting that I told you, everything will be done, and then you can easily swipe it down or swipe it up by using your finger on the power button. So guys, this is for today's video. I hope you like the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. So please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.